Should I answer that? I'm going to have to answer that. Okay, cut.
You have to keep going.
This is my unboxing video for the Ration challenge. This is the box that I've been sent and I'm going to open it here. It looks pretty small. It looks like a little bit bigger than my lunchbox. So I'm just going to open it up. And actually I have opened this already. I've made some adjustments because I'm prepared. But this is what's inside. Taking things out, I have a small bag of rice. I have a small bag of chickpeas. These will soak and they'll expand to be almost twice their size. That's not very many chickpeas. Lentils, 170 grams, which again you soak them and they expand to about double that. So that'll hopefully keep me going. I have 1 can of red kidney beans, which that's usually something I'll eat for lunch. So that's a lunch. That's a whole week. Making that last 3 days is going to be like a huge challenge for me. Vegetable oil, quite a lot of it. I hardly ever use vegetable oil, but lucky me, I'm going to have lots of vegetable oil next week. There should be sardines in here, but because I don't eat fish, I think the oceans are in a terrible enough state. Should I answer that? I'm going to have to answer that. Okay, cut. I'm having chia seeds instead, which have got quite a good nutritional value, so I'm choosing to have that. Also in the box, there's 2 pieces of paper. Very useful pieces of paper. This is a rice food coupon, so I'm allowed a lot more rice. Here's some I've got earlier. So I'm allowed this, some more rice. And there's another coupon that says flour on it, 400 grams. And so I put 400 grams of flour in this box. I'll not open it because it might go everywhere. And that's it for the week. I'm not looking forward to it, I have to say. Unless I get sponsored a bit more, I won't have any salt. And if I get sponsored a bit more, I'm allowed to have a vegetable, like well, any kind of vegetable, but a small one, 170 grams. So if I get a lot of sponsorship, I can have 1 vegetable to brighten things up. And that's it. Thank you. Goodbye.